Hello, I'm Nethmini from On Level, and today I'll show you how to mount Turboflex. Whether you are going for a top mount with 66-20 profile or for a side mount with 66-21 profile, the steps are straightforward and efficient. Starting with preparing all the parts, the profile. Here I got the top mount profile, the Turboflex part, the U-shape part and the wedge part, and also the gaskets and the mounting tool. At On Level, we also have the torque tool to make the assembly easier. So now let's start with mounting the glass profile. We'll consider this side as the falling side and this side as the user side. All the adjustment and the fastening we'll do from the user side. We'll start with placing the Turboflex U-shape part, and you need to place the part every 312.5 mm distance throughout the profile, and make sure the Turboflex logo needs to be on the falling side. Once you place the U-shaped part, you take the gasket and you will insert the gasket on the falling side. And now you position your glass. Once you place the glass, you'll take the second part, the wedge, and make sure the arrows need to face the glass. And once it locks, it will make a little click sound. And now you can tighten the screw with the screwdriver and the mounting tool. Make sure you're not going over 250 resolution per minute, because if it's more than that, the tool can get hot and this might not work perfectly. And now the glass is secured, and then we will add the gasket on the user side. And yes, with that, the mounting of Turboflex is done.